Hi there, my name is Peter. Let's talk about the world of mechanical fitting. This field is in high demand and offers a lot of room for growth, creativity and challenges, while offering great job security. Being a mechanical fitter focuses on precision work, problem solving and hands-on engineering. You'll learn how to put together machinery, how to machine metal parts and make sure everything fits just right. And you'll pay close attention to detail and you'll be learning your way around mechanical stuff. The best part is the variety of projects you'll get to work on, whether you're working on machinery, making new parts, or setting up new equipment. Every day you'll learn something new and exciting. This means you'll never stop learning and you won't get bored of the day-to-day grind. It's more than just working with metal though. It's also about making ideas real and thinking on your feet in order to solve problems. The feeling of accomplishment you get when you see a project come together is fantastic. So, if you're into engineering, enjoy your hands-on work, and thrive in a dynamic technical setting, then a career as a mechanical fitter might just be the perfect fit for you.